Hey everyone, Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Mortgage Dictionary. Today I want to talk to you guys about APR, annual percentage rate. This is a question that comes up quite often in the mortgage process because you are going to get a disclosure that tells you what your APR is on any given loan. And basically, your APR is not your interest rate. It's a combination of your interest rate and the percentage of fees it costs you to get that actual loan. So you could have an interest rate of 6.5%, but have an APR of 6.875%. It's always like a random number. But what it's basically showing you is the actual cost for that loan. And it gives you the opportunity to compare two different loans to see which is giving you less cost for the same interest rate. So you could have an option from broker one that has an APR of 7.39%, but a rate of 6.5%. And you could have an APR from broker number two that's 6.78%. and a 6.5% rate. So they both have the same interest rate, but broker one's option has a higher APR. And the reason for that is because that broker is charging higher fees. So really APR is just a tool for you guys to be able to tell what kind of costs are associated with the mortgage quickly and in a percentage format. So if you see the same interest rate and there's a higher APR for one loan, you know that you're paying more money for that same rate. So hope this is helpful for you guys. This is Mortgage Dictionary, Mortgage Manfro. Thanks for checking it out.